Hey, Margaret Fitzgerald, LCSW here again, and let's talk about the craziness that is going on in the child custody, what's supposed to be the most revered judicial system in the world, the United States of America, where there are travesties of children being ripped from loving mothers, violations of court orders, battering and abuse evidence completely ignored, and therapists and custody evaluators and reunification therapists are all colluding in this whole thing. I mean, I'm not saying everybody is being a crook in this. However, it is a rigged system. I'm sure a lot of these therapists really just do not understand the research, theory, and practice of the domestic abuse and domestic violence literature. That's where I come in. I'm working with clients to present their cases according to the framework of narcissistic abuse, battering, and the impact of abuse dynamics upon families. It's not rocket science. It's been out for quite some time, but apparently we're not being taught this in universities. So one of the topics now I edited Christina Mask's book, Nightmare and Hostage Hills, and she had some profound experiences with our Lord in writing it. And he went through and listed all the malpractice things that happened, as well as what he's going to bring for her and her kids through her case. But the first one on the list of the wrongdoings was the elasticity of court orders. And so an example that I'm seeing even today with a client that I'm working with is these guys are supposed to, that have a stay away order or a protection of abuse order, they totally do not follow those. And when the mother reports that, nothing is done about it. And these guys are being entitled through this patriarchal system of child custody, and the kids are still being remanded into their custody, where the emotional and psychological abuse and power and control is just, it's ongoing, and the courts are enabling it. So stay tuned. I'll continue to do some more videos, and I also have my books, the practice manual that is very helpful for any professional that works with families and they see any of this crazy power and control going on. Now, most of these narcissists are very charming to everybody else outside the family, but monstrous to those closest to them. So stay tuned. Love you. Please like, subscribe, and share. If anybody comes to mind that's going through this, I know it's rampant, and I'm focusing my practice now on helping mothers that are going through this, because I am an expert on how to frame it according to best practices. Great. Thank you. Bless you. Hug your kids. Bye.